Morning students. Now we have come to the last topic of this chapter number 17, forest, and the topic is conservation of forest. Till now we have studied about the different layers of forest, the reasons why the forests are getting cut, and what are the consequences that the people are bearing or they will bear in coming future because of deforestation. Deforestation means the depletion of forest or the cutting of forest. Now the need is to conserve the forest. What do you mean by conserve the forest? Conservation of forest. This means that to plant more and more trees or to conserve or to protect the forests which are left. Okay, so conservation is the need of the hour that is very much required. Even though forests are being destroyed due to human activities, forests should be conserved from further depletion for our own good. You know very well, because of the deforestation, what are the hazards that we are facing, right? And global warming has already started, rainfall is getting less and less, and more trees are getting cut, so soil erosion is taking place. So these are the various consequences for which we will have to pay a high price. So it's better that we get aware and we conserve whatever is left with us. So, steps must be taken to create awareness about the hazards of deforestation and preserving the rich resource of forest. Now, what are the steps that should be taken to protect the forest and to plant more and more trees? First, trees should be planted in wastelands where the forest cover is disappearing. And this planting of trees is called afforestation. Deforestation is excessive cutting of the trees, and afforestation is planting more and more trees. Then, people and students should be encouraged to plant more and more trees through programs like One Mahotsav. One Mahotsav, these are the programs which have been launched by the government so that it create awareness among the young people, among the students, among the young generation, that they should know what is the importance of forest and what we should do to conserve forest. Then awareness and education regarding the importance of forest should be given to people and the students. Overgrazing by cattle should be prevented by providing sufficient pastures in the areas near the forest. What should happen? The cattle, the animals which the people rear, they should not be allowed to go into the forest and cut and eat the grass over there, the shrubs over there, the herbs over there. But near the forest also, the lands should be there where there should be grass, enough grass for them to eat, so that the forest cover should not get destroyed. Then illegal logging of the trees for timber must be prevented. Conversion of forest land for the purpose of industrialization must be stopped. More and more industries are getting built up, and due to which the forests are being cut, so that should be stopped. People who go on trekking and camping should be cautioned about the hazards of forest due to human negligence. Forest fires due to human negligence. Then the personnel in forest departments must be trained and equipped to control forest fires. Forest fire is one of the major cause for the depletion of the forest, for the forest getting destroyed. So the people who are into this, the government have appointed many people who look after the forest departments. So they should be trained and equipped to control the forest fires. Farmers must be educated to plan cultivation in their lands without cutting down trees, and every city should have a green patch reserved for developing parks. So these are the steps that we should do to conserve the greenery, to conserve the forest. Okay, and with this we come to an end of this chapter number 17, forest. Okay, so I will send you today the exercise work, the true and false, and maybe some of that defining and short answers. If not, then short answers and long answers I will send you in the next session.